Imagine launching a product that perfectly meets your customers' needs. That's the power of a minimum viable product or MVP. With MVP, we tailor experiences, not just apps, for your customers at Startup Starter. We take this concept to heart in our app development services. Our website design lays a solid foundation, while our Android, iOS, and Flutter app development services build on this to create an engaging user experience. We also offer prototype creation to test ideas and gather early feedback. Additionally, our website development services ensure your online presence is strong and consistent. Each service contributes to creating a successful minimum viable product. From concept to code, we are here to turn your vision into a reality. But we don't stop at app development. Startup Starter goes beyond. Curious to explore Startup Starter's array of additional services? Download the Startup Starter app today and let's make your idea a reality.